In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore recently closed tabs in Google Chrome. We've all been there, either accidentally closing a tab or realizing too late that we still needed something from it. It's a frustrating moment, no doubt. But the good news is, Chrome makes it really easy to recover your recently closed tabs. I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you're back on track and browsing with ease in no time at all. First things first, let's assume you're staring at your open tabs in Google Chrome and suddenly realize that one of them is missing. Before panic sets in, take a deep breath and know there's a quick fix for this. What you want to do is locate the empty space right along the tab bar, the area next to your open tabs. Go ahead and right-click on this bar. This is a handy trick because it brings up a menu that can help with various tasks. But for today, we're focused on reopening recently closed tabs. Once you've right-clicked on the tab bar, a menu will appear. You'll want to look for the option that says Reopen Closed Tab. It might not scream out loud at you, but it's definitely there, nestled in the menu, waiting to be clicked. Select Reopen Closed Tab by clicking on it, and voila, your last closed tab should reappear, good as new. Isn't that just the best? Just like that, you've brought back a tab that seemed lost forever. This feature is an incredible time saver, especially when you accidentally close a tab and need it back right away. In fact, you can repeat this action to retrieve several of your recently closed tabs. Just keep right-clicking in that same space and selecting Reopen Closed Tab until you retrieve all the tabs you need. It's like having your own little magic wand for your web browsing tasks. Remember, browsing history is powerful, but sometimes slower to navigate if you just want that one tab back ASAP, so give this right-click method a go. As a bonus tip, if you're someone who finds themselves closing tabs all too often, perhaps consider exploring Chrome extensions that help manage tabs more efficiently, or investigate Chrome's history features for longer-term recovery solutions. And there you have it. Restoring recently closed tabs in Google Chrome is really that simple, and it's a nifty little trick to have up your sleeve. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tips and leave a comment below if you have any other questions about navigating the Chrome universe. Happy browsing, and see you in the next video.